From January 26th to 29th, a delegation of 24 students from Muscatine High School in the United States visited China's Shanghai to promote friendship between youths of the two countries. In addition to the city landmarks of Shanghai, the delegation also visited some local high schools and participated in various activities.
We're all very excited to bring us closer together, and a lot of us are very excited to get to know each other more and do a lot more stuff together. I think everything was my favorite, to be honest. I can't pick one thing. I made a lot of lifelong friends, and I've experienced a lot of things that no one else in my family or friends will be able to. And it's really eye-opening to other countries. And I would like to bring a lot of my friends and family back someday so I can travel again.
I think it's just opening up channels of communication. Like right now, I'm having conversations with faculty members that I met, with some students that I met, just sharing ideas and I think when you have these open channels of communication, it just strengthens the line of friendships, and it's just beneficial for everybody to learn about each other and appreciate each other's culture.
I think it's just really successful, this trip, and I would love to be just part of sharing my experience with other educators.